So, it's Sunday, and nandito tayo ngayon dun sa room for rentals na tinitry namin i-renovate. So, one of the renovation na ginagawa namin is yung counter, yung kitchen counter. Nandun siya before. Nililipat namin siya ngayon. So, natapos na namin i-assentada to gawin yung counter. Basically, it would be more on finishing na. And today, yung gagawin ko is papalitatahan ko to. Tatry ko siyang ipalitahan on my own. I haven't tried doing plastering before, and I'll try my best to do it now. So yeah. So tatry ko muna siya for on this side, pero as you can see, at yung sa baba, papalitadahan pa, and this counter, lalagyan naman siya ng porcelain tiles. This one, and then the backsplash, lalagyan din naman siya ng two layers ng tiles as well. So this is hardly bricks, and then meron lang dito hollow blocks. So ito yung part na nalagyan ko ng palitada. Try ko siya today para lang matry kong gawin. So parang masala ko yung bistay niya sand. Although okay naman na siya since bistay na siya. Kailangan ko pa siya dito. Ngayon, gumamit lang ako ng anything I could use. Anything I could spare. So what we're going to do is that one by two lashes. Usually I will skip like if I do 3 of this.
Hindi ko na din talaga maalala at maintindihan ko ano sinasabi ko dito sa video. Pero basta need natin salain yung buhangin at semento. Yung ratio niya is 1 part cement and 3 part sand.
So, mix ko lang siya before I put some hole for the water. Ang sabihin, pinapakbo ko ng tali ko. Pero wala pa. Charot, di ko alam paano ko gagawin. Ang galing, oh my god! So, kailangan ko ng gloves. Yung tubig siguro.
Pinakinis pa naman siya after this pero di ko na na-videoan. Ayun, stay tuned na lang for part 2. Yun lang, bye!